Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable autoplay for audio and videos in Microsoft Edge. And now, let's get started. To begin, open Microsoft Edge. Once the browser is open, locate the three dots in the top right corner of the window. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings page, you will find a search bar at the top. Type Autoplay into this search bar and press Enter. This will bring you to the Media Autoplay settings. You will see an option to control Media Autoplay. Click on this option. Here, you can choose to either allow Media Autoplay or block it. To disable autoplay, select the block option. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.